Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure, and I figured I would share a little tip that I use when I am harvesting my zucchini, when I wash it all up and bring it into the kitchen. And I'm always making zucchini bread, I'm always making zucchini brownies, cookies, whatever I need for zucchini. I don't like to do what I'm doing now, taking the zucchini and grating it, grating it, grating it, grating it, and then you got to take it all out. And then when you're doing your recipes, it always asks for like a 1 cup, 2 cups, all that jazz. So what I do to make it easier on me, after I do this process right here of all this grating, then I bag it up and I write zucchini on here, and I've got to put the date up there, and this is 2 cups right here in the Ziploc bag. So I can just go into my freezer, pull out this bag, let it defrost, and I know it's already been pre-measured, and I don't have to worry about doing this process and then measuring out how much cups of zucchini that I need. So I thought I would just bring that to you as a little easy, quick tip to make our baking and our cooking a little bit easier. Now, I haven't showed you guys in a while about how my extracts are doing. So let's go on, and I'm going to bring my extracts up, and we're going to take a look at my extracts and see how they're doing. Before I show you my extracts, I wanted to also include this little tip too. So once you get your zucchini in your bag, some people may like to have their zucchini in a bag that they just plop in the freezer like this, big old clump of zucchini. But I prefer to put it in the bag and then I just tap it flat, and it's a lot easier because I can stack 3, 4, 5, 6 bags on top of each other, and this saves a lot of room in your freezers too. So I just wanted to give you that little added bonus, because we as gardeners, we are outside, we are harvesting all this food. So if you're limited on refrigerator space, this is a quick little idea to help save some of that space in your freezer by putting it in your Ziploc bags, making sure all the air is out, which I still have to let some more of this air out because as you can see how it's like, it's got some bubbles in there. So I'm going to flatten it out, finish putting the date, and in the freezer it goes. All right, let's get on to the extracts. Guys, are you ready to see my extracts? Now, I started my extracts on June 6, 2023, and we are in the year 2024. So my extracts have been curing, looking good for a whole year. So let me show you what my vanilla extracts look like. Look at that. See, and that's the date I started it. I gotta get better labels because the ones that you use with the chalk and stuff, or the little chalk pen, it wears off. But with that being said, look at all those Madagascar vanilla beans in there. I purchased these off of Amazon, and you can see I have been using this vanilla because this used to be way up here, and now it is way here, and it's right up the top of the vanilla beans. So I got to pour some more alcohol in there, and I use the vodka, the Bacardi, and this is what I use to pour this vanilla into this little store-bought vanilla when I didn't know how to make my own vanilla. So I was putting out some money purchasing these little bottles, but when I found out I could make my own extracts, which bottle would you guys like to have, this one or this one? And look at that beautiful color. So I made 4 of these vanilla extracts, and this is the 3rd one, and then here is the 4th one. So your girl won't have to buy any vanilla extract for a very, very long time. And then I made some lemon extract. Look at this. And even though they've been there, the coloring stuff looks so pretty. And that's the lemon peels in there. And look at that color of that lemon extract. And then I made an almond extract. See the almond still up the bottom? And I still turn it upside down to keep it going, just so I can keep that flavor profile as strong as possible. So I just brought some slivered almonds and stuck them down in the bottom. And I have almond extract because I like to make these beautiful almond cookies or this almond cake. Child, it will make you sing like a high soprano. You hear me? Oh, because this almond extract is no joke. If you guys haven't tried almond extract, you need to try it. And then I made some orange extract. Look at the color of my orange extract. Look at the oranges that are still in there. And this extract is so flavorful. Oh my goodness. You talking about strong and potent? This extract is that way. A little bit goes a long, long way. And then the last extract that I did a mint extract with some of my mint leaves out of the garden. And you can still see them floating around in there. But this is beautiful when I put it in my teas. When I want to flavor anything that I want to have a minty flavor, I use a lot of this around the holiday time when I'm making like my mint ice cream, or I'm making like cookies and I want to have a little minty flavor to it, or have that peppermint because I crumble up some of those red and white peppermint candies and then I add some of this mint to it. Child, you ain't said nothing but a word. So I am encouraging you, just like I'm encouraging you to jump on the spice train so you can make your own spices. Now, I'm always encouraging you to make your own extracts. Anything you like, boom, an extract can be made. And most everybody use vanilla extract. That's a staple in the house. I use this in my pancakes. Yeah, I put vanilla extract in my pancakes and my waffle batter. Oh, yes, I do. If you haven't tried it, don't sleep on it, because this just kicks your pancakes and your waffles up to another level. Yep, yep, yep. So I just wanted to bring you this so you guys can start making your extract. And I won't need to go to the store for a long, can we say that again? Did you hear me? Come closer to the video. A long, long time. I'm telling you. All right now. So I keep this in a really dark, dark place. I usually keep them in these boxes. I got this box down here that I put them in. This is the box that I purchased my bottles from Amazon. And I haven't had any problems or issues. When I need some extract, I just go over to my little dark secret hiding spot, pick up the extract that I need that I'm going to be using that particular day, hook up whatever I'm making, and I don't have to say anything else but good. Make your extracts, you guys. Don't go to the store, be buying $8, $9 for this little joker when you can get some Madagascar beans off of Amazon. Get you some, next time I'm going to try, when I do my extracts, I'm going to try that Jamaican rum, because I heard making extracts with Jamaican rum is amazing, because the Jamaican rum already is flavored. And then you add these vanilla beans to it. When I get that stuff together, because I got some extra bottles down here. Let me show you. I got some extra bottles down here. And the next one I'm going to be making is some of that Jamaican rum extract vanilla. Because I still got some more of my Madagascar vanilla beans. They're kind of expensive. But you know what? It's worth it when you can make bottles after bottles of extract. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful extract. You hear me? You can do it. If I can do it, and I know everybody says that. If I can do it, you can do it. But if you've been following me on this channel for a very long time, trust and believe, if it's hard, I'm going to tell you, child, that was hard. But I stuck in there and I got it done. But this is easy. You need a bottle, some Madagascar beans. You can use vodka. You can use rum. Fill it up. Put it in a dark corner. Take it out. Shake it every day. Let's see, and I still be shaking mine. And it's been over a year. And I'm still shaking my vanilla. Because I want this vanilla to be super, super potent. Look at this. This has been a year. And look how much I've used. In a year. Look how much I've used. And I just keep filling this little bottle with this. And whenever I need it, it's there. When it gets empty, I put my little funnel in there, fill it up, and I'm good. I'm good for a very, very long time. All right, guys. I just wanted to bring you this little video connected to my zucchini. So this is a video of just tips and things that I have been working on in over here in my kitchen and outside in my garden. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will have a little bonus clip if it comes out right at the end of this video. If not, if you don't see the bonus clip, then what I was going to show you did not come out very well. So I'm just going to say have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, try that zucchini trick. And also, get your vanilla on. Get your vanilla on. Just like I'm saying, get on this spice train. Get on the vanilla train. Save you lots and lots of money. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have something else to share with my gardening family. Because I just love you. And whatever I know, I'm going to make sure you know too. Alright, guys, take care. And fingers crossed on the bonus clip. Okay? If it doesn't, this is me saying goodbye from Renee's Garden Adventure. And I will check you out in the next video. Get your vanilla going. I ain't playing with you. Vanilla. Guys, here is my bonus clip. I made a zucchini casserole. And it just has zucchini, cheese, onions, bell peppers, garlic, salt, an egg, a little bit of Italian breadcrumbs. They wanted to do like cubed bread, but I thought that would be too soggy and mushy, so I just sprinkled some of that Italian breadcrumbs on it. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Oh, and the meat that I have in there, I have turkey kielbasa. So that is, you can use any type of meat you like, or if you don't want any meat, you don't have to add it. It could just be a vegetable casserole. So, all right, guys, I just want to throw this quick little clip in there so you can see what else Miss Renee was doing today. Whew, I was working it out today, you guys. I was working it out. All right, guys, take care.